Hey, I want to show you our newest HO scale kit. This is called Frank Lava Gunsmith. It's a small Main Street kind of retail shop. It's actually a prototype based on a building in New York City, probably about 1911, 1912, and it was there for decades. And it was actually a whole row of buildings or stores, about 3 or 4 of them, servicing the police department. And they would get their weapons there, they would service them, they would get uniforms and whatever other equipment they needed, all in one spot, all across the street from police headquarters. And this one was unique in that it had a nice oversized revolver hanging from the storefront or hanging from the brick wall outside. And we've 3D printed that, so it's easy to make the sign right there. And the frame is laser cut, and the wall it's hanging on is a brick wall, and it's got a nice detailed cornice on top. That's also one piece printed, 3D printed, so it's pretty easy to assemble and paint up. And the rest of the structure is laser cut clapboard walls. The overall footprint is probably about 4 to 4.5 inches wide by about 5 inches. And it's a pretty quick build. You'll probably build it in 3 or 4 nights. And we've got some more details on the sidewalk. We've got a cellar bulkhead, and we've got some new trash cans with rats crawling on them, and a bunch of other little details. The kit includes detailed instructions on how to assemble the kit, as well as a booklet on how to weather clapboard, do the roofing, paint details. That's included as well. And also 3D drawings to help explain how the storefront goes together. Makes it a lot easier when you see it step by step, as well as the sign out front and how that's put together, and the overall assembly of the walls with bracing and the corner trim. And then the interior sign, or the interior storefront sign, is included as well, so it doesn't look like an empty storefront. Of course, you could model your own interior, but if you don't, I would use this so it looks like the store is occupied. So these are some of the 3D printed details that are being rinsed in alcohol after they're printed. These are the pigeons that are included in the kit. And down here in the alcohol is the brick walls, the one-piece brick walls. Once these are done getting rinsed, they'll sit outside and dry, or sit outside of this bath and dry, and then we cure them in UV light. So these are the brick walls getting cured with UV light. It's another batch in here. So these are the parts that are getting ready to be packed, and we're printing them and casting them today. And these are the lampposts. One lamppost is included in the kit. The lamppost is printed clear, so you mask off the globe and then you paint the bottom either black or green, and it's a nice street lamppost. There's also a penny scale that includes a printed face that'll go on there. You can put that on the street, on the sidewalk. And this is the gun. This is printed with these supports, and they're easily removed with little nippers, and we tell you how to do that in the instructions. And then some of the details, the metal cast parts. This is a sprue, and it's got a few pieces on it. It's got a payphone, a locker, a mailbox, a couple of barrels and cans. And then of course the wall. These are pigeons. And this is a trash can with some rats crawling on it. You can see a couple on the trash bag there, another one on the side. So eventually, in a few days, I'll get this on the layout. This is going to go right about here. And that'll fill that lot nicely. This is temporary. I'm not sure what's going to go there. But look out for some more videos. We'll do a layout update video soon with this in place, and hopefully a building here to fill that space as well. Check it out on our website, fosskits.com. There's more photos there if you want to take a look. Thank you to our Patreon supporters. If you want to see more behind the scenes stuff like this kit in progress before it was released, check us out on Patreon. We also do an exclusive video once a week that we only show there, and we post almost every day, sometimes twice a day, and we hope to see you there. Thanks a lot.